Hello and welcome to the office of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be doing a basic overview and unboxing of the HP Envy all-in-one 32-inch desktop PC. For comparison's sake, I currently have a 27-inch HP Envy all-in-one desktop PC that I've had for about 4 years, right on the dot. The last time I bought a computer was May of 2016, so about 4 years, and that's my general cadence for a new computer. Just because I like to stay up with the times, and it works out well. So, next year will be my fourth year having my HP Envy laptop, so I'll be probably replacing that next year. So definitely look forward to that in the future. But yeah, so today we're unboxing the latest HP Envy 32-inch. Just got it today. The current specs that I set up on it are as follows: 1 terabyte of a solid state drive. We've got an Intel i7 processor. We have the screen size itself is actually 31.5 inches diagonal. It is a 4K. Something that I am excited about is the anti-reflection edge-to-edge glass. I haven't seen it for myself in person yet, so you're going to be seeing it for the first time with me. We've got Windows 10 Pro. We've got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, which is 6 gigabytes of dedicated RAM on that one. I could have updated to the 8. It comes standard with NVIDIA RTX, the 4 gigabyte version. But I just did upgrade to the middle of the road, and therefore I had to update the power block for it. So it has the 330 watt AC power adapter. We've got 32 gigabytes DDR4 SD RAM, which is 2 times 16 gigabytes. And yeah, that's about the overview there. I did update a few things. 32 gigabytes is as much as they would let me put into it, which is pretty okay. It's pretty standard for a fast computer these days. Again, for comparison, on my old HP all-in-one, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that one, and at the time, 4 years ago, that's the most they would let anyone put into it. I think it came standard with 8, and this one you're looking at here is comes standard with 16. You can update it to 32. So I did kind of build this computer online to my personal specifications. So let's go ahead and get started. And this one, a little bit different. You don't have to undo the top. It comes with these black things down here that you just pull out. A nice thing that they came out with, which is new, because this is, I think, I haven't bought a computer for 4 years, so this could be something they've been doing for a while. But it does come with a security sticker here that you can peel off, make sure it hasn't been taken off. Appears to be okay, so you just squeeze the little tabs in the middle here, and it'll come out. So we'll put these off to the side here. And it has 4 of them, 2 on each side. And theoretically, get out of the way here, just lift off. Put it over there. So right off the bat, you can see it's a pretty, I mean, the box doesn't lie, it's a very big PC. We'll check it out. So we got our box right here. Comes with some setup instructions, and this is the power block that I now have to figure out where to put. It's, like I said, it's 330 watts. They made you upgrade it to run the NVIDIA graphics card because it takes a lot of power. So we got the standard power cord that always comes with your PC. So that's all good there. And over here we have what I assume is the keyboard. And I will do, this is more of an unboxing video, kind of showing you guys. But I will do kind of a better overview once I get it set up on my desktop and switched out. And I still have to do file transfers and all that stuff. So after I get it set up completely, I'll kind of do a better review of the computer itself. But yeah, so the nice thing is they come with Duracell batteries, which is better than some of the other brands of batteries they come with. Man, this is the heaviest keyboard I have felt. I mean, last time I actually switched out the keyboard to my other computer, my 27-inch, because it was just a very cheesy keyboard. This case, I don't know, I might keep this one. I have one that I was going to use, but I'll have to test it out. But this is heavy, and I won't open the. Take it out of the plastic here. As you can see here, it has an area you can set your phone or your iPad on, and it actually has Bluetooth in the keyboard, so it can connect to the computer here. It has different buttons too, so you can you have the computer and 1 and 2. You can connect to 2 different devices. They mainly say like a tablet and a phone, and then you can use the keyboard to type on those devices, and you can quickly switch between the 2 of them, which I thought was a cool idea. I didn't know if I was going to use it, but man, this I'm almost tempted to weigh this thing. It's got to be. It's not going to slide around, that's for sure. It's got some sticky feet on it, but it's a pretty hefty keyboard. You know, it's not bending very much. It is made out of plastic, but I think the bottom of it here, yeah, that is the aluminum the computer is made out of on the bottom. Top is plastic, bottom is the aluminum, and you can tell the difference. So that's cool. We got the mouse here. This mouse is fairly cheesy, I think. Keyboard is not, the mouse is. We'll have to play around with it a little bit, see if I like it. So that's the keyboard and mouse. Now let's get to the good stuff. You got your standard foam here. It is pretty secure in here, so I'm not really worried that it was jostled around a bit, a bunch. Alright, so it's actually backwards right now. I will turn it around when I get it out. Alright. Foam off here. Oh, that is also a heavy computer. Foam things out of the way. Cardboard here. Turn it around. It is flat. There's no bezels or anything on this thing. Slide out here. Oops. There we go. Well, I broke that. It'll glue back together. I like to keep the packaging because then I can pack up an old computer and take it to recycling, which I use also Best Buy for recycling. I do have a core charge, but it's okay. It's cheaper than me trying to get rid of it myself in most cases. And it's also helpful to keep the box when you're moving and stuff, and you know it's going to be secure in its own packaging. So here you go. Here's the moment of truth. It's a bit dusty. Alright. As you can see, it's got some swivel to it. You can aim it down a little bit, and has quite a bit of play going up too. So that's good. Here's the speaker system. I don't know what to expect. They say it's a good sounding system, but you know, it's computer speakers, so we're not holding my breath. Get some more of the plastic off here. Alright. There we go. I mean, it's got some the top is plastic here where the venting is. The bottom here seems to be plastic. Or at least wood grain aluminum, which is kind of aesthetically pleasing, I think. Got your Intel Core i7 sticker and NVIDIA RTX speakers down here, but this is 32 inches, 4K display. It's definitely less reflective than my current screen, which is nice. We'll have to see the brightness when we hook it up and get it going. Let me show you the back here. Oh, first of all, we'll look at this here. We got a how this comes off here. And that's not intuitive at all. So I'm going to go from the back here. Like I do all my videos, it's one shot, so sometimes these things happen. So there we go. We got the camera here. It's a pop-up security camera, which I like. It doesn't take up screen space like my 27-inch does. And when you're done, just pop it down. Yeah. Cool. Just pops up, pops down. A little bit jinky there, but we'll see how it goes long term. Now, the package itself was 40 pounds, and you can see why. This is a solid. This piece right back here. Hope I'm still on screen. Back here is a solid aluminum piece, very sturdy. I don't think this is going to break very easily. I mean, I don't expect to be hanging off the screen itself, but we got two USB-C ports, actually. Yep, two USB-C. We've got USB-A, super speed port. I'm assuming that's what the S as is. Super. It's an extra speedy USB. We got 2 of those. We have the HDMI in. You can hook up another computer to it, use the screen. You got an HDMI out. And we've got Ethernet connection. Got the power and a locking system you can purchase. I don't use that particular feature myself. So there's that. The power button here is on the bottom, which if you're looking at the screen, it's on the bottom right. There. Over here on the side, we've got another USB-A port. Oh, no. Well, this is the power button right here. Apparently there's a button down below. I believe that is you can use your the speakers when the computer is off as a Bluetooth source if you want. I don't know if I'm ever going to use that myself. I have another speaker system in here that I use when I want. The other cool feature here is a charging port down at the bottom, where you can set your phone, any QI, or I think it's called Qi device. You can put down on the pad here, and it will charge. I think even with the computer off, as long as it's hooked up to power. We have a micro USB. We have a SD slot. It's a standard SD slot. There's not a micro USB, and then we have a headphone jack. And really, that's about it for this computer. Like I said, it has Windows 10 Pro on it, so we'll see how it goes. And I'll set it up here in the next couple of days and come up with a video, kind of doing an overview of everything. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Like and subscribe if you like my content. If not, that is okay. We'll see you on the next one.